welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Goa government plans to levy entry tax on vehicles entering Goa and not registered in the state. Vehicles will be charged 250 rupees entry tax. Delhi High Court asked Centre and Election Commission to respond to a plea for court-monitored probe into the funds allegedly received by Congress and BJP from UK-based Vedanta Resources and Cesar Goa. Number of road accidents dropped by 5% as compared to 2011. Number of deaths in road accidents down by 14%, almost 5,000 challan for traffic indiscipline on the Goan roads. Anjuna police seized narcotic drugs worth 1,30,000 rupees. South African national arrested. And Churchill brothers consolidate top position in I-League. Coach Mariano Diaz happy with Churchill's comeback ability, while coach Arthur Pappas feels youngsters are fighting hard to improve. And now the news in detail. Goa government is planning to levy a toll for vehicles not registered in the state and entering Goa. Notifications specifying draft rules were published on Thursday for suggestions and objections from the public. Once this notification comes into force, the tourist and other vehicles registered outside the state will have to pay 250 rupees to enter the state. However, two-wheelers will not be charged any toll.
Government is planning to levy toll to the vehicles not registered in state and crossing the state bridges along the state highways. Draft rules are notified and are kept open for suggestion from the public for 15 days. These are the proposed rates.
This is an entry tax which are coming from outside Goa, all the vehicles. Now, हे जे notification काढला, ते notification काढल्या बरोबर एका महिन्यात आम्ही सगळे जे infrastructure आसा on check post ते तयार करपाक जाय आनी एका म्हयने भितर ते 1.5 म्हयने भितर हे जे एंट्री टॅक्स आसा तो चालू करपाक जाय. हो जो एंट्री टॅक्स आसा तो पयले एका 250 रुपया आसा.
4-wheelers 250 rupees, 6-wheelers 500 rupees, 3-wheelers 100 rupees and other heavy vehicles 1000 rupees.
आता हे जेन्ना व्हेकल गोंया भितर सरता ताका फूल 1 डे गोंयांत रावपाक मेळटा. तांकां जर परत आनी आपले दीस वाडोवपाक जाय जाल्यार त्या प्रमाणे त्या हातून जे नोटिफिकेशनांत दिलां म्हणजे 1/3, 1/5 अशें जे नोटिफिकेशनांत दिलां त्या प्रमाणे तांणी पेमेंट करपाचो. आनी हो पेमेंट करता आसतना तांणी एक लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की खंयी तांकां आडोवं शकता. तांचे कडेन तो एक आमी रिसिप्ट दितले. ती रिसिप्ट तांणी दाखयले बरोबर तांकां थंयच्यान सोडटले. सो आमचें चॅकींग हे एवरी पॉयंटाक आसतलें. ब्रिजार आसतलें, ते स्मॉल नाल्याचेर आसतलें, मेन हायवेचेर आसतलें. साधारण आमी काडला तो अंदूच्या फायनान्शियल इयरा आमी हें जर आतां चालू करत जाल्यार साधारण 10-15 कोटी रुपया सहज उबे जातले अशें म्हाका दिसता. हय, जवळ जवळ 30-35 कोटी रुपया हातूंतल्यान उबे जावंक शकता वर्साक.
However, two-wheelers, vehicles registered in Goa and VIP and government vehicles will not be charged. Vehicles travelling twice a day on the same bridge have to pay 1.5 times toll. If the vehicle has to cross 2 bridges within 80 kilometers, then they will be levied toll only once. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The Delhi High Court has asked the Centre and the Election Commission to respond to a plea for court-monitored probe into the funding of political parties. Court is suggesting a SIT or the CBI into the funds allegedly received by the Congress and the BJP from UK-based Vedanta Resources and Indian PSUs like Cesar Goa.
The public interest litigation plea filed by NGO Association for Democratic Reforms and former Government Secretary EAS Sarma came up for hearing before the Delhi High Court bench on Thursday. The petition has said that UK-based Vedanta Resources and its subsidiary companies in India, including Sterlite Industries, Sesa Goa and Malco, have donated several crores of rupees to major political parties like the INC and the BJP. The bench of Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Indermit Kaur said, "Let respondent Ministry of Home Affairs and Election Commission file their reply within 2 weeks. List this matter after 3 weeks on February 4. High Court, however, did not issue notices to Congress and the BJP. The petitioners have alleged that the two parties have violated various Indian laws in receiving funds from the foreign and Indian sources. The petitioner has sought directions to the government to initiate action against the major political parties and to confiscate the illegal donation under the supervision of the High Court." Bureau Report, Prudent.
Number of road accidents have dropped by 5% in 2012 as compared to 2011. Number of deaths in road accidents has also seen drop of 13 to 14%. 292 people lost their lives in road accidents in 2012. The traffic police issued challenge to almost 5,000 traffic rule violators during the Road Safety Week, a number enough to indicate traffic indiscipline on the Goan roads. Sneha Sabnis reports. The number of youth dying in road accidents is alarming. It continues even though the number of road accident and deaths in road accidents has dropped. In 2011, police reported 4,560 accidents. Of these, 314 accidents are fatal. However, year 2012 saw a decline in the number of accidents. Total 4,312 accidents were reported in 2012. Out of these, 312 were fatal. In year 2011, most of the accidents involved two-wheelers. 154 riders and 28 pillion riders died in these accidents. Apart from these, 66 pedestrians, 16 drivers, 23 passengers and 4 cyclists lost lives on the road in the year 2011.
From the statistics we can make out that the two-wheelers are the most vulnerable. They are the vehicles which meet with maximum accidents on the road. So maximum persons who were killed are motorcyclists. Now the maximum road victims are between the age group of 20 to 35. See, we are losing young people on the road.
Directorate of Transport had organized 24th Road Safety Week from 1st to 7th January in the state. Transport Department had organized various awareness programs during the week with the theme "Stay Alive, Don't Drink and Drive." Keeping this in mind, traffic police had kept a strict vigil on riders and drivers. Almost 5,000 challans were issued to the traffic rule violators in a week-long drive.
2011 परस 2012 गोंयांत कमी ॲक्सिडंट जाले. तशेंच ॲक्सिडंटान मरण आयल्ल्यांचो आंकडोय खूब कमी आसा. मात टू व्हिलरांचो सगळ्यांत चड ॲक्सिडंट जाला. ताका लागून तरणाटे खूब सोंपल्यात. रोड सेफ्टी विका वेळारच सुरक्षा नेम पाळ्ळे म्हणून जायना. दर दिसा हे सुरक्षा नेम लोकांक पाळचे पडटले. देवेंद्र गांवकरा वांगडा हांव स्नेहा सबनीस, प्रुडंटा खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.